Hello everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and in this video I am going to show you a quick tour of the dashboard, the courses menu, and the calendar. So right now I am at the dashboard. The dashboard is the default landing page for Canvas. And the dashboard for teachers is going to be separated by published courses and unpublished courses. Unpublished courses are courses that maybe you're working on, you're still creating content for them, and they're not quite ready for public use. Published courses, however, are courses that you have completed and are ready for students to work on. For example, I have some I have some credit recovery classes. This one specifically, quarter one of my Exploring Computer Science class. This is a credit recovery class. I'm recording this over the summer, which is why I only have one published course. During the school year, most of your courses will be up here. Now, you may see students with a different view in their dashboard. There are a couple of options. So right now we're on card view, which is my preferred view for the dashboard, but there's also list view. If you were to click list view, you would get a running list of all of the things that you have to complete in each of your each of your classes, but it makes it somewhat difficult to find the classes that you're looking for. So I always recommend that students keep it to card view. Over here, we have a to-do list. For teachers, this is going to be items that have been turned in, but you have not graded them yet. So I have a student who turned in grade build a computer in one of my classes, and I have not graded that yet. So I'm going to go in and grade that whenever I'm ready. You have a coming up list, which is going to show you all of the assignments that are coming up soon in all of your classes. That will be there. You also have recent feedback. If students have left comments for you, you can see that down here. There is Start a New Course. This will allow you to create a brand new Canvas course just by clicking on that button. First, you want to choose the account that that course is associated with. So it can be UMA Healfield, UMA Camp Williams, UMA just in general, if you want that course to be for both campuses. Demo, manually created courses, evaluation, so on and so forth. Courses that are templates, for example, like this course, which is a template. I created this course in the manually created courses sub-account so that I have control over it. That's what I would recommend for courses that you're creating as a template. But I digress. Let me move back to the dashboard. You also have a button that says View Grades. If I were to click that, it will pull up a list of all the courses that I currently have on my dashboard, or courses that I'm currently in the term for. Now, some of these are template courses, which they just have an overall, there's no term that they're involved in, so they'll pop up here quite often. There's the one class that I have that's actually published. I can see just grade averages for each course, or I can click on the course itself and pull up the grade book for that course. Okay, let's talk about the courses menu. So let's say you've built a class in Canvas and it's great, it's perfect, it's everything you want, but it was, I don't know, let's say 2 years ago. If you click on the courses menu, you'll see a condensed version of your dashboard with your published courses and unpublished courses. But at the bottom, you'll have this link labeled All Courses. If you click that, it's taking a second. I have a lot of courses. You will see all of the courses that you've ever created or interacted with as an instructor. Now, I have a bunch of template courses that are published. I should probably go in there and unpublish those. But notice that they're not showing up on my dashboard. The reason why is because I have unchecked the star next to them. This star will display courses that you want, or this star will turn on and off courses in your dashboard, whether they are published or not. We have past enrollments. These are all the courses that I've built in Canvas since I've begun using Canvas. You can see which term they were associated with. So for example, if I was looking for, I don't know, Exploring Computer Science from 2019, I can scroll down, until I find my Exploring Computer Science courses. And I have, it actually looks like we started teaching Exploring Computer Science in 2020. So I can go back to Exploring Computer Science from 2020. I can click on that and it'll open up the class. Oh, that is gross. This is my old way of designing courses, and I don't like it. Anyway, let's back out of that quickly. So again, we can go back to all courses and we can see content from any course that we've ever built. At the bottom here, I've created a lot of courses. Older courses do kind of get pushed down farther. So I can see I have some courses from all the way back to 2017 that I haven't used in a while. Anywho, so these are that is how you access older courses, and you can do a search as well up here. Oh wait, maybe you can't. They took this. Okay, well anyway, you can go to all courses and search, and you can see courses that were listed as public. So let's see. Let's try game dev. See if I can find. So I have a bunch of game development courses that I taught, as well as other teachers that have made their courses public. Okay, let's talk about the calendar. The calendar is a really, really helpful feature, especially for students. In the calendar, you can see which courses have which assignments and when they're due, on what dates, and all of that. So I have my list of published courses over here on the side. If I were to choose, let's say, Q1, Exploring Computer Science, Credit Recovery, I don't have anything due, but if I were to get to, let's say, July 30th, which that's when all of the assignments for Credit Recovery are due, you'll notice that all of these assignments have popped up. If I click on one, for example, the Design Process Quiz, I can see which class it's associated with, and I can actually even go in and edit. I can see what assignment group it's assigned to, whether or not it's synced to Aspire, the due date, the name. I can click More Options, and it will actually go into that class and into that assignment itself and allow me to see specifically what all of the options. So the calendar is a really helpful feature, especially if you have multiple assignments or multiple courses in Canvas and they're all kind of going on at the same time. You can look at the calendar quickly and see which assignments you have due on which dates. That'll help you with your planning. There's also agenda view, which will kind of list all the things that are coming up soon in a list format, which is pretty nice. You can look at your weekly view if you have things that are due at different times. So there are all kinds of ways you can format this. Beautiful. Okay, I think that's about it for these features. If you have any questions, please let me know.